You didn't, Put it inside. Be with her for the meantime. Be with her inside. Take care. Alas 8 na nagising. Hindi naman na namin gisingin si Anika sa school, guys. Kasi nga, magsa-celebrate kami today. Si Papa kasi, nahabol niya tapusin yung trabaho niya. Ako naman, ang dami ko pang orasyon. Na ginawa bago kami mag-vlog. Nagising na agad si Anika. Yung vlog, hindi namin makita-kita ko saan. Nagising na yung birthday celebrate. Hindi pa kami nagpapalobo. Kaya inutusan ko muna si Papa. Samahan mo si Anika sa loob. Hindi kasi si Ate Anika nyo sa mga balloons. Mga logo. Ako muna magpapalobo. Hindi ko sa pressure yung nangyayari. Nagising yung birthday celebrate. Parang since si Anika may ginagawa kami dito kasi hindi siya agad nalunga kasi bigla siya nagtago. Tapos magkabeke na ako. Binili namin ito kagabi, guys. Pina-order namin kasama ng milk ni Anika. Ito, 15 pieces ng metallic balloon. With the candles, magic candles. Ayan. Sinabihan ko na kasi si Papa kagabi, hanapin yung sa taas yung blower. Kaya ngayon, Diyos ko, good luck sa baker. Lights? Ah, yeah, light.
I can help from this last one.
Huh?
We can vote, but they will drag it.
Hindi, kasi dito, no? May candle kasi. May light kasi kami binili nung kay Rain. Ayan, really. Ayun.
Need to hang here.
It's heavy also, that one.
Let's see.
It's too much high, I guess. You know what is what we are doing here? Is this one enough? I'm getting pain. The one is nabili namin yung birthday light. Birthday ni Rain. No, sakit.
Just a few minutes will hang it. Later remove it.
It's not, doesn't look good. Pati yung the wires, at least remove the wires. That one is too much high.
Okay. You know, only option is
enough, I'm getting
just for a few minutes.
So guys, ito lang muna yung ginawa namin pang kay Anika, pang surprise. Ayan. So. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ate! Happy Happy birthday! Wow! You have balloons? Wow, you have balloons!
What is this, Santa?
What is that?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. You like it?
Yeah.
Huh? Where do you want us to go? Ate?
Huh?
Where do you want us to go?
We're going to the school.
School. I already told your teacher that you're not going to school today. You'll be excused for today's event. Okay. So where do you want to go?
School.
To school? Only you want to go to school? We do cake cutting to your school tomorrow. Ha? Sinabihan ko na yung teacher nito guys na excuse man si Anika today. Bukas na lang kami magdadala ng cake doon sa school niya doon sa magki-cake cutting. Pero magki-cake cutting pa rin naman kami dito sa bahay. Dito kasi yung mga ganitong edad, hindi sila rin nagpapaparty. Depende siguro sa budget ng magulang. Pero mostly kasi niyan, pag nag-birthday yung mga bata, nagpapadala sila ng cake, mga gifts, at chocolate. Yung last time na ginawa natin ng birthday niya, ganun. Ate, are you happy? Are you happy? Happy birthday again! Aya, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Gising na ang luring. What is the train? Wow! Ah! Balloons, balloons, balloons! Balloons! Wow! What is that, baby rain?
Balloons?
Huh?
You don't have to touch this.
Aya! That come this side, baby rain. It's cold. Ang lamig na ng sahig, guys. Sit there and you just play. Then, what is that? Itong outfit ni ang ate Anika, tignan niyo naman, pink na pink si Inday Manenay. Diba? Aba, aba. Diba? Saan ang gala, Anika? Naks naman, oh. Yung ano ni Loring, guys. Pakin niyo, please check na take my chapel there. Yung, it's heavy, I'm telling you, because of jackets. Bigat ng bag namin, oh. How can you carry that one? Huh? Where are you going, Ate?
Playground. Diesel or dinner? Diesel. What you do? Don't
Ayaw ni Papa na mag-shades ako, guys. Baka siguro baka maka-artista maka-score. So we're going. Dito sana kami kakain, guys, sa Oris. Dangan nga lang at sarado pa yata. Kasi ano pa lang, 12:15 pa lang. What the time, what usually they open? Kamusta na, ate? How do you feel? Neck pain? Macy?
Here.
What happened now?
One.
Ang open na din naman yata. As that one pa? Open na pala. Thank you. I guess we're the first. Buena mano yata kami, guys. We sit that side, oh. Here. I said. So for our first course, soup, meron din sila ditong siguro ano to, yung bread. Sandwich dry cake, okay. They also have here napkins items. Ayan. And chutneys. Meron din sila dito. Habang wala pang tao, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga menu nila dito. So, meron sila dito tandoori paneer tikka, baby corn manchurian. Gusto ko to, paneer tikka. Pepper aloo fry. Macaroni pasta alfredo sauce. Ito gusto ko to. Ito aloo rin to. Paneer butter masala. Ang ano yan, tawag nito? Rotis. Ano tong sabzi? Okay. Sabzi adraki. Hindi ko lang alam tong isang to, guys. Vegetarian restaurant tong pinuntahan natin, aloo bindi fry. They also have here the okay. Hindi ko alam yan. Sorry, guys. Rajasthan Kadhi. Hindi ko alam to. Wala. Ito, may pastry din sila. Tsaka assorted food. Fries. Pickles. Rice. Lemon rice. Ay, gusto ko to. Brown garlic noodles. Ito, mamaya ka sa akin. Ano ba tong isang to? Parang Manchuria something. May ano din sila dito. Live counter. May mayo. Ito, live counter. Ito, yung pinakasikat nga niya sa Facebook kay Insan. Yung panipuri. Pero malinis naman ang pagkaka-prepare nila dito, guys. Kaya safe naman kumain. And let's go to their salads. They have lots of varieties of salads here. Samosa, papdi chaat, chana salad. Ito, gusto ko to. Ito sa iceberg din sila. Chocolate balls. Sweets and desserts. Bondira. Ito, hindi pa try. Fruit custard. Ano to? Hindi ko na alam. Fresh fruits. Basundi. Kibani meta. Ito, bulag jam. Gusto ko yan. Tsaka mung dal. And their ice cream counter still closed. Kain tayo, guys. Do you want soup, baby? Do you want soup? Ito mo. Be careful, baby. Just have napkin here, okay? Sarap ng alfredo pasta din. Binibigay ko ngayon rin yung gravy ng alfredo pasta na rice. The alfredo pasta is
Something in around.
Sit there, Apple. I'll bring pasta for you and some cake to you, okay?
How was it, tate?
Wait, I'll bring.
What pasta you want? That pasta?
Hi guys, here's my birthday guys. So here today. Ito butter pasta. I don't want this one.
So we keep it there and let it.
guys sa mall. Bakit parang ganit yung camera natin? Ay, ito yung nasa Banjara Hills pala kami ngayon. Cute na aquarium nila dito. What is the train? May ano sila, aquarium dito.
Let's go, Mama.
What is the train? So, nandito na tayo sa taas. Ito yung tinitingnan namin kanina sa YouTube. So, finally, we're here. Medyo malaki din naman yung time zone nila dito. Ito yung gusto ko. Yung jumper car. Hinahanap namin yung this is bowling.
What is the here?
Naghahanap, akala namin hindi ito yung ano 600, 700. Ganito ang lagay guys. Each gate nagkakalaga ng 400 yung entrance for 90 minutes. Tapos 1 parent allowed lang ang pwede dun sa loob. Kaya nag-uusap kami ni Papa. Ano ba decision namin? Pahinga lang ako at sakit ng aking likod.
This is also.
Ayo, okay then.
That could also come, that also charge.
How much?
700, 900.
How much each?
900, 900.
But it puts the 700. What is that?
700 for her, 700 for her, 1400. 30 to 90 minutes means 1 hour.
Hama.
90 minutes to 1 hour, 30 minutes.
Tara! Alam nyo ba guys, parang pinagot lang namin yung mga sarili namin. Kaya patawa na lang sa sarili namin. Parang nagpagod lang kami ng biyahe. Hindi naman namin enjoy. Alam nyo kung bakit. E di pumunta kami doon sa sa Banjara Hills. Ay, hindi pa noon. Malapit sa Banjara Hills sa Amerbed. Doon kami nag-lunch kasi doon yung malapit na mall. Pagpunta namin doon kanina dun sa mall, di ba nakita nyo naman guys? Tag 900. 900 pala, hindi 400. 900 per head. Yung paglalaro ng mga bata pagpapasok doon. Then magkano na yun? Magkano na tapos si Ray nasa 700 yata or 800. So, sabi ni Mr. sige, okay lang. Pero ang point is, isang parent lang ang pwedeng pumasok. Kaso lang yung playground na yun, hindi mo makikita yung tao dun sa loob kasi parang medyo papasok siya. Nakita, paano ko lang sa inyo, papasok siya. Sabi ko, paano ka naman pag naiwan dito sa labas? Sabi namin, sige dito na lang. Kasi dito, ang ending namin guys, dito lang yung mall sa malapit sa bahay namin. Yung lagi namin pinupuntahan mall, yung DSM mall. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ang ending natin dito lang sa kapitbahay nating mall yung pupuntahan natin. So, kaya, ayun, kasi dito, ano na ako guys, hindi naman ako nag-expect na talagang medyo maraming pupuntahan na talagang maganda. Hindi ka mukha talaga sa atin na parang iba kasi yung ano dyan, yung ano natin, mga park natin yan talagang masayang galaan, ayun. Dito, meron namang okay, pero malalayo dito sa amin. Kaya, nag-change outfit lang yung dalawang bata, binisa namin, tsaka pinainom ng gatas sa dito na kami sa mall, pupunta sumasakit yung leeg ko dito. Shall we go now?
Huh?
Shall we go?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go na. nandito na kami ngayon guys sa loob. So, ito. From here, yan yung start niya. Then, there's a slide. As well. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong ng spaceship na niya sa loob. Ano na rin, parang kang nag-ano dyan, jacuzzi ah. And there may also hospital there, something na laruan, and sand. So yung binayaran namin for 45 minutes na sa 300 yata, or 450. Ayan, kasa dun kanina sa isa guys, pag 700, skupuday. Tapos isa lang yung parents ang allowed. Si Papa pumunta dun sa massage, nagpamassage si Mr. At pagkatapos niya, ako naman yung susunod. Sumakit talaga yung likod ko ng bonggang-bongga. Are you enjoying? Nalunod na si Loreng ng bola. Loreng, stand up, stand up. Nalunod ka na dyan, di ka na tumayo. Di na tumayo si Loreng. Aya, help her ate. 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 Anika. Help her to go there, above oh. Ano Loreng niya, maliligo ka na lang, umpo ka na lang dyan. Ah? Bring baby Rain there, oh, above, so she can slide. Bring out baby Rain there above. Bring her there, bring her. Grab her. Ado, go to ate Rain. Doon si Loreng at ayaw niya pumunta dito. Ha! What, are you just going to sit there? Huh? Stand up! Stand up! Dah! Mate nga! Adada! Ah! Ada! You're scared? Ba?
Can I help?
Ano, it's okay. The ate is there, oh. The ate, oh. There, go there. Are you enjoying ate? Huh? Are you enjoying? Teach Lynn how to play the sand. Meron sa hospital. Ito yung sinasabi ko na cafe. Babahay-bahayan. Uy, Loreng, anong kalokohan yung pinagagawa mo dyan? What is that? Sandcastle? Aww. Sand should be wet. Sand should be wet, not dry. Sand should be wet. See what she's doing. What is the train? Kaya ako lang si Rain dyan guys, para yung sensory niya. Ano? What is that? You can do with that one, baby. Ito yung ano kay... Ha? What do you want? Oh, what do you want? Where do you want to go? Hospital? Ate, go there. Kailangan bantayan dito si... Ay! Ngayon nga, kinakain. Ginawa niya siguro pulburon. Ito yung ano kay Rain guys. Wala siyang... Yung mga ganito activity sa bahay. Check! Yung sensory something. Ay! Uy! That's not a food. Noray na. Sensory kayo ha. Ginawa niya ng pulburon yung buhangin. Ha? What do you want? Wanna play with baby Rain, no? Teach her what she... Don't put in her, Anika. Don't allow her to put in her mouth, oh. Ate, ate, check her out, baby. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ni Rin, parang na-curious siya sa kung anong anong meron. Kasi lagi lang yun nasa TV guys, si Rin. Kasi nga busy ako lagi sa bahay. Ito talaga yung need niyang maganitong paglalaro. O diba, ang galing-galing ni Rin. Hanggang ngayon wala pa rin siyang masasandok. Karya! Dito mo ilagay dahil hindi sa damit mo. Ayan. Ay, nakuluring ka. Aba, galing naman ni Rin. Lahat tapon muna bago na ilagay doon sa bucket. What is that, Rain? 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 What she's doing there? Wow! Ito talaga niluring sa sand. Oh. What you guys do you have there? Doctor, check up? Oh. To check baby Rain if she's okay. Don't put in her mouth. Don't put in your mouth, baby. Here, Anika. Wear this one. Nurse.
Yes. I don't know to wear.
Sunday. Wow, you look good in yellow, baby. Be, maisi. Ganda ni ate sa yellow. Baby, put it down. I want to see. Okay, wait, let's show to Papa. Wait lang, later. Show it to Papa.
Papa!
Maisi? Diba? Alright. Ada kami, let's try this one. Dalawa kasi ito. Maganda rin kasi yung kulay nito, guys. Oh. Kaso lang, parang tingnan lang natin. Pero maganda yung yellow kay ate. Maganda rin to, oh. Diba? Diba? Show to Papa. This one is also nice.
Happy birthday to you.
Sit properly, Apple.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Karen, claps.
to you.
Claps.
Happy birthday, Ate Anika.
Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Blow it, Apple.
Oh, what's your wish?
It's okay.
You don't have wish?
Wait.
Takam yan ng loring ah.
Fit or in.
That is a knife.
Touch it. Take some. Fit or in.
What? Nom nom?
No?
Okay. With right hand.
Thank you, baby. Happy birthday.
Give to Papa. Enough, please. Wait, this.
What is it?
Me.
Ate, is there any wish you have on your birthday? What's your wish? What's your wish?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Your wish.
My wish.
Wish means you want something. Want to go back? Cake? Only cake? What about going back to Philippines?
Wait, yes, I love.
Actually, naantok na si Rain. Pagod na yan. Di ba, Nini? Nini? So, mas-sleep na yan eh. Patulogin na muna namin ito si Rain. Aya! So, ito na guys yung morning attire ni Ate Anika para sa cake cutting niya dyan sa kanyang school. So, simpleng ano lang, damit lang para kay Ate. Be? How do you feel?
Good.
You feel pretty? Okay, let's go to your school now. Awa! Awa! Let's go! So, before we end up our vlog, guys, at tagang pagod na pagod ako, sakit-sakit ng ulo ko. Tapos pagdating namin kahapon, naglabada pa ako. What happened to your face? Oh, yeah, I'm seeing you have lots of hair, oh. What happened to your face? So, gusto nga pala magpasalamat din sa mga taong bumati kay Ate Anika, sa mga sumusuporto din sa ating channel. So, maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Is there anything that you want to say to your viewers?
It's rashes.
What about for your birthday greetings?
Finish.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Thank you so much Thank you so much for the greeting.
Love you all.
I love you. Goodbye.
Bago natin tapusin tong vlog natin at imamassage ako ni Papa, guys, talagang asama-sama ng pakaramdam ko.
And subscribe to the channel for the Ate Anika's videos.
Very good. Ayan, so shoutout muna tayo, nagpapabati si Maria Zamuco 5780 sa kanyang apo na nag-birthday noong December 6 she turned 9 years old and her name is Maui. So, ayan, belated happy birthday sa iyo, Maui. Ayan, greetings from the Divapuran family. So, maraming salamat, guys, sa pagsama sa ating vlog. Ayan. So yung Zoom natin din na natuloy. Dahil oras na din kami nakatapos si Papa magtrabaho. So, oras na din kami nakalabas. So, hindi na rin siya natuloy. Sabi ko, next time na lang, magpapazo tayo or anywhere this December na lumabas naman kami pamilya.
Anywhere so December in my birthday.
Ang sipon na lang ito, nagsugat yung mga ni Anika, kakapunas ng ilong. So, that's it for today's video, guys. So, maraming salamat. Hindi ko na kayo hold pa. And so, see you next vlog. Paalam. God bless and good night. Bye-bye!
Thanks to my Christmas. Bye.